Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. This is Kyra and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these little Christmas tree charms out of paper and a little bit of like decorative embellishments. So let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Alright, so to start I'm going to need a piece of cardstock here, and I went ahead and printed on the front and back with this kind of like green stripy Christmas paper. I will have links down in the description box below to the kit used today, but go ahead and make sure that you have at least a piece of cardstock. You'll want that stiffer paper. And then we are also going to be needing something that we can trace. I have this like ribbon that I picked up from Walmart here, and the package is about 2.5 inches long. So find yourself, a jar, a candle, a cup, a ribbon, something that is around 2.5 inches. It doesn't have to be exact. Mine is a little bit bigger. Just know that the bigger your circle, the bigger your Christmas tree. The smaller your circle, the smaller the Christmas tree. So once you go ahead and find something that is about right for you, we're going to trace around the circumference with a pencil here, and then cut out this little circle, just like this. And then once we have it cut out, we're going to fold it in half, and you can choose whether you want the stripes going vertically or horizontally. I'm going to go horizontally here. And then I'm going to use that center fold as a guide for cutting my circle in half. So I should have 2 even pieces, just like this. And then we're going to, again, fold this thing, like this half in half, and then cut it in half using that fold as a guide. And go ahead and do that to both halves of your circle. We're going to cut those in half, and you should have 4 equal pieces. Now you only actually need 2 of them to make your tree. So right now I have enough pieces to make 2 little trees. And to make our trees, we're going to take these pieces and again fold them in half, but this time we're not cutting them, just folding them, okay? And once all of these are folded, I'm going to be grabbing some of these open eye pin needles here. I believe these are used to make like earrings in jewelry making and stuff like that. You can get them at a craft store or Walmart. They're pretty easily available. You don't have to use these though. This is just what I'm doing since I had them on hand, but you basically just need something to go at the top of your Christmas tree that you can hang it by. So anything with a loop would do. You could use a bulb pin or maybe like a little paper clip or something like that. You could also just use ribbon and like a piece of string and like make a loop and glue it on the inside. It's kind of up to you what you want to use. I just had these available, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And whatever you choose to use, what you're going to do is add a little bit of glue to like the inside edge of one of your little halves here. And you're going to glue whatever you're using right inside of there like this, right along that like folded edge. And then once that's glued in place, you can go ahead and use more glue to like go around that entire face, and we're going to press 2 of our halves of our tree together like this, kind of just match up your edges, and that's going to glue our little pin inside there. And then I'm going to fold all of my edges over so that they're like even and matched up, and I'm going to sketch out a Christmas tree shape by just drawing a couple of these like really slanted triangles here, and that's going to kind of give me an outline of a Christmas tree. And I'm going to cut out those little pieces that I just traced, and that'll give me kind of that Christmas tree shape. So you don't have to do this, you could just keep it as like triangles. I think it, just like as is already kind of looks like a Christmas tree, but this really kind of defines that shape and makes it really obvious what this is supposed to be. So go ahead and give it a shot. Again, these are pretty easy to make, so if you mess up, don't worry, just try again. All right, so we're gonna cut these little pieces out here like this, and then when we open it up, we should have kind of our 3D Christmas tree like charm outline. And this is kind of rounded on the bottom, so they don't stand up, but they're meant to hang, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. And then I'm going to go over the edges with a little bit of Distress ink in the color Vintage Photo, just to kind of make it look a little more vintage and finished and kind of bring out the definition of those edges. Just like this. And if you wanted to, you could even go a step further and do some decorating. So I have these wood stars that I picked up from the Dollar General. If you've been watching our channel this month, you can see that I've used these a lot in my Christmas crafting videos. So make sure to check those out if you haven't already. But I'm going to use them again to add just a little star to the top of my tree here. And then using a bulb pin to secure that little pin here, I now have a little cute Christmas tree dangle charm, and this could be really cute to add, you know, onto a garland, onto a Christmas tree. You could add it onto a Christmas present or like a Christmas card. If you're making a Christmas junk journal, I think that these would be a really cute addition, and they're really fast and easy to make. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a few more here. With this one, I'm gonna do a little bit of extra decorating with some press-on, like stick-on pearls, and just a little bit of like this woven string here. And I'm just cutting out a couple of pieces and gluing them onto my little tree like this. And you can see it kind of looks a bit like a decorated Christmas tree and kind of adds a little something something. Alright, so that is going to finish up today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on some more of the Christmas crafts that are going to be coming out really soon. So thank you so much again. We will see you in the next tutorial. Happy holidays, everyone, and I will catch you later. Bye!